Hey guys, it's Ujesh, and I hold in my hand the GeForce GTX 680. The fastest, most efficient GPU we've ever built, and a GPU that I'm really proud of. When we built this, we wanted it to be the world's fastest GPU, and we accomplished that. But we also want it to be extremely power efficient because we know a lot of our gamers told us, it's one thing to have a really fast graphics card, but please have one that's power efficient without noisy fans that take up a lot of heat, and that's what we've built here. We invented some new technology that goes hand in hand with this graphics card. The first one we call GPU Boost, which boosts your clock speed when you're playing certain games. So here's how GPU Boost works. We used to set our clocks based on the power consumed when you're running a really stressful application. Well, we found there's a lot of 3D games that actually don't consume that much power. So what do you do with that extra power? Well, what GPU Boost does, it lets us convert that power into increased clock speeds, and we do it automatically. The result is when you're playing a game, you'll get a boost in your GPU clock that'll result in increased gaming performance. It's really awesome, and you gotta just check it out. To make your gaming experience smoother, what we did is we invented technologies on the AA side. We're gonna call it TXAA, and it really gets rid of all the jaggies in the game, but it doesn't take a performance hit. So you can have great image quality, but really fast, smooth gaming performance. We've also made some advancements in the area of physics. So previously we had our Apex destruction module. And if you wanted to have this type of destruction in a video game, what the artist would do was pre-compute the fracture. And then once you're in the video game, if you shot the pillar, it would fracture in a specific way. What we're looking at here is dynamic fracture. Nothing is pre-computed. It all happens in real time. Whenever you shoot this pillar, it will never break the same, ever. Now let's look at what we've done with fur in video games. Now, if you wanted to build a beast like this before, you'd have 100 hairs and you interpolated between all the hairs. And you guys have seen it. You've seen lots of characters where it just doesn't look realistic, or you see bald characters in video games, or they have, plastic looking hair. Well, here we're simulating 100,000 hairs in real time. And you can see it just looks super realistic. We can even do some really cool effects like these hair dryer effects that we're looking at right now. So once again, just adding more realism to video games. And then finally, we wanted you to have a richer experience. So things like 3D Vision Surround off of a single graphics card or a single GPU, and even support up to 4 displays. So there you have it, the GeForce GTX 680. It's the fastest, most efficient GPU we've ever built.